Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a new method to make money with CPA marketing. And let me refresh this. And as you can see, it is still here. Now for this method, you don't need a bridge page, but it is always better to make a bridge page. So first thing we need to do, we need to go on a website called Trends24. And what we need to do, we need to click here on worldwide. And here you can choose a different country. So for example, let's just say I wish to check United States. So here I will search for United States. Okay, click here on United States, close this ad. And here you can see trending hashtags and trending topics on Twitter in United States. Here you can see in past few minutes. Here you can see 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. When I click here, I can get even more hours, okay? And like I said, here you can see trending hashtags and trending topics. Now, point of this is you actually need to find a hashtag or a topic that is just getting traction, because in that case, competition is still not that big, but that hashtag, that topic is trending, which means it is getting trends. It is becoming trend, and it has an audience, and that means we can get a free traffic. Now here you can see competition in United States is big. So what you can do is you can simply come here and search for some other countries. So for example, let's just say Italy, okay? Here I will search Italy and click here on Italy. And here I can see what is trending on Italy, on Twitter in Italy. And here you can find trending hashtags and trending topics in Italy. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to find our CPA offer that is related to the hashtag that we found here on Trends24. That is really important. Now for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Cpagrip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network. Like I said, for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Cpagrip. Now, I actually did the research before I start making this video, and I know that McDonald's actually start to get traction in Italy. So here I will try to find McDonald's related CPA offer in Italy. So I will simply search McDonald's, and here you can see, okay, there is a CPA offer for McDonald's in Italy. So what I need to do, I need to click here and I need to copy this, okay, title of this CPA offer, and I need to paste that here in Notepad because I'm going to need that later. And also I need to copy my Cpagrip affiliate link because I'm going to need that as well, okay? And also what you need to do, you need to right click here on this image, open image in a new tab. And you need to right click here, save image as, and save this image on your desktop. Now next thing you need to do, you need to make a bridge page. Now like I said, you don't need a bridge page for this method, but it is always better to make a bridge page. Now for that, I'm going to use Google Sites, and I'm going to make a really simple bridge page. I will just click here on blank to create a new bridge page. Now here, I will actually click here on change image, click here on select, and here I will go on search, and here I will search McDonald's, for example. Okay, McDonald's, and click here on search. And now let's just say I wish to use this image here. For example, click here, select, give it a second, and as you can see, they added my image in the background. I am going to delete this because for this purpose, I don't really need that, okay? I will just delete that. And here I need to actually add my image that I downloaded from Cpagrip. So I will simply click here on image and then click here on upload. And this is the image, and I will actually reposition this image, and I can also enlarge this image just like this, and again reposition it like this. And now I can simply add my call to action. Now if you don't know Italian, no problem, you can use ChatGPT or you can use Google Translate to translate your call to action. But for the purpose of this video, I will just use their title, okay? So I will simply copy this and then double click here, click on TT, and I'm going to paste that here. And I will make this to be larger. Let's just say, for example, 30, okay? And I will make this to be bold, for example, okay, bold. And I need to add my Cpagrip affiliate link. I am going to copy this, and I need to highlight this, and then click here on this little chain, paste your Cpagrip affiliate link, click here on apply, and that's it. I created a really simple bridge page. guys, you will make a better bridge page. Like I said, I'm making this just for the purpose of this video. Now when I click here, I can see how my bridge page actually looks. As you can see, it's actually not that bad. So what I need to do, I need to publish this. Just click here on publish, choose a domain name. So let's just say, for example, McDonald's Italy, for example. Okay, and it is not available. 1, 2, 3, just to see if it is available. It is available. Click here on publish, and that's it. I published this bridge page. And when I click here on view, this is my bridge page. I need to copy this and I need to paste that here on Notepad because I'm going to need that as well. Okay. Now, next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a Twitter tweet. Now, for that, you can simply go here on ChatGPT and here you can search Twitter, for example. Okay, and here you can search for Twitter thread, one-click content schedule. Okay, I don't need it. Create a killer Twitter thread. Okay, I don't need that either. Write a Twitter thread in one click. So let's just say, for example, I will just use this one here. Okay, I will click here and now I need to choose here Italian language. So let me just find Italian. Okay, Italiano, that is Italian language. And here I can say something like this. This will be my call to action. Make me a clickbait tweet about McDonald's and add a call to action for my CPA offer and press enter. And now ChatGPT, as you can see, it's creating a thread because that is what I choose, but I will not use that. I'm actually going to use just one of these tweets, okay? And let's just say, for example, I will use this first one here, okay? Just copy this and go back here on Twitter, and here all I have to do is just make this tweet here, and I need to add my link to my Google site, to my bridge page, okay? And that's it. Click here, and all I have to do now is just click here on tweet, and because McDonald's Italia is actually trending, that is why this tweet will get an organic reach, and I will start getting organic traffic, and people from Italy will actually start clicking on my bridge page and they will start visiting my bridge page. Here you can see which is on Italian, and some of those people will actually submit their email, and I'm going to make money with CPA marketing and free traffic from Twitter. Now after you make this post, what you need to do, you simply need to go back here and you need to go back on Trends 24 and you need to find more hashtags that are getting traction. And if you cannot find in Italy, no problem, just click here and you can choose some other country. So for example, Australia. And here you can see hashtags and topics that are trending in Australia. And like I said, you need to find a hashtag or topic that is just getting traction. In that way, you will start getting organic reach because competition is still not that big, it's not that strong, but it is popular. People are searching that hashtag, that topic on Twitter, and that is why you will get an organic reach. And not just that, but you will also grow your Twitter page in that way because, like I said, people are searching, that is popular, and you will start reaching more and more people and you will start getting more followers. And you can make 5, you can make 10 or 15 even posts like this, targeting different hashtags, different topics in different countries, promoting different CPA offers on your Twitter page, and you will get organic reach because, like I said, that is popular, but competition is still not that big, not that strong if you find a hashtag or a topic that is just getting traction. As you can see, guys, this is simple, but it does take work. Then, like I said, you can make money with this CPA marketing method and free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.